main branch sa Baclaran, Pasay City. Well, lechon is like a crispy roast pig, a popular dish here in the Philippines. And one of the best place to eat lechon is here at Lydia'S Lechon. Actually, it's one of my favorite brand of lechon, and they do have also, aside from lechon, they have other Filipino dish, popular Filipino dish like kare-kare, lumpia, mechado, laing. Very crispy ang ano dito lechon. Lalo yung balat, the skin of the pig, very crispy, very delicious. And also, we have a chicharon. They do sell some chicharon, they just chicharon. And yeah. Anyway, we're going to eat now. We ordered some lechon and also kare-kare. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, check out my other restaurant review here on my channel. This branch is located at Baclaran, Pasay City. Ambience of the restaurant was fine and bright. The staff are nice and friendly. We ordered 2 orders of 1/4 lechon for me and my mom for us to enjoy the tasty lechon. And yes, we also ordered 1 kare-kare and plain rice. You can view full menu with price at www.lydias-lechon.com or visit their Facebook page, Lydia'S Lechon, for more details. Okay, about the food, here's my review. First, the kare-kare. It was okay, tastes good, but nothing special about the kare-kare. The only issue lang is it's not hot or warm. Malamig nung sinerve. They didn't serve it hot, and I think they need to improve on that part. And it's just a small portion for the price of 355 pesos. And for the lechon, yes, as expected, delicious, crispy ang skin ng lechon, tastes so good. Signature of Lydia'S Lechon. For small plate, 1/4, it's 350 pesos. Sulit na sulit. Sarap ang luto. So crispy, ang sarap. The best talagang Lydia'S Lechon. So yes, here's our food. If you are craving for a lechon, Lydia'S Lechon is a good option. They also have some snacks like chicharon and kangkong chips. We get a small one, chicharon with laman. Unfortunately, it's like an old stock, not crispy, but they change it and replace it with a new one and crispy. Overall, it was okay. We like the lechon. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and check out my other restaurant review here. And see you again to my next vlog.